Hello everyone. You're welcome in Optimistic Aspirant YouTube channel. Today we will discuss 35, 36 and 37 session of World Power Made Easy English Vocabulary with synonyms and antonyms. So let's start. The first word is spectacle. It means a visually striking performance or display. Synonyms are display, exhibition, extravaganza or pageant. Example, the sunset was a stunning spectacle. Next word, spectator. It means a person who watches at a show, game or other event. In Hindi, it is darshak. Synonyms are onlooker, watcher, observer, viewer. And antonyms are participant or contributor. Example, the spectators lining the road cheered the racers on. Next word, inspect. It means to look closely at something or somebody, especially to check that everything is it as should be. In Hindi, it is nirekshan. Synonyms are examine, monitor, investigate, scrutinize, and antonyms are conniving or pretermit. Example: the captain wants to inspect your kit. Next word, retrospect. It means thinking now about something in the past. In Hindi, it is बीती बातों की याद. Synonyms are reappraisal, review, or reconsideration, and antonyms are prospect or prophecy. Example: I am sure my university days seem happier in retrospect than they really were. Next word, prospect. The possibility or likelihood of some future events occurring. In Hindi, it is sambhavna. Synonyms are perspective, possibility, vista, or delve, and antonyms is retrospect. Example: I see no prospect of things improving here. Next word, introspect. It means examine one's own thoughts or feelings. In Hindi, it is adnirature. Example: these situations are best resolved with the minimum of introspection or self-analysis. Next word, circumspect. It means wary or unwilling to take risk. In Hindi, it is saudhan. Synonyms are cautious, chary, wary, discreet, or vigilant. And antonyms are incautious or unguarded. Example: the officials were very circumspect in their statements. Next word, specious. It means seeming to be right or true, but actually wrong or false. Synonyms are deceptive, beguiling, deceiving, delusive, or fallacious. Antonyms are inadmissible. Example: this argument is rather specious than sound. Next word, conspicuous. It means easily seen or noticed. Synonyms are visible or eminent, and antonyms are invisible or inconspicuous. Example: he was conspicuous because of his colorful shirt. Next word, perspicacious. It means having a ready insight into and understanding of things. Synonyms are clear-eyed, astute, sharp-sighted, and antonyms are dull or stupid. Example: he was perspicacious enough to realize that things were soon going to change. Next word, perspicacious. It clearly expressed and easily understood. In Hindi, it is suspect. Synonyms are clear, lucid, limpid, pellucid, unambiguous. Antonyms are ambiguous or cryptic. Example: the study of Reformed theology set forth in books are very perspicacious. Next word, acute. It means very serious or severe. In Hindi, it is triv. Synonyms are severe, critical, keen, and antonyms is dull. Example: the problem of poverty is particularly acute in rural areas. Next word, punctual. It means happening or doing something at the agreed or proper time. Synonyms are prompt, regular, or precise. Antonyms are unpunctual, lated, or dilatory. Example, he is the sort of man who always punctual. Next word, punctilious, showing great attention to detail or correct behavior. In Hindi, it is बारीकियों पर ध्यान देने वाला. Synonyms are meticulous, conscientious, scrupulous, or ceremonious. Antonyms are unceremonious, informal, or casual. Example: he was always punctilious in his manner. Next word, pungent. It is having a sharply strong taste or smell. Synonyms are pervasive, acrid, stifling, or sharp. Antonyms are bland or mild. Example: her thoughts were interrupted by a pungent odor. Next word, magnanimous. It is very kind and generous towards an enemy or someone who have defeated. In Hindi, it is udar. Synonyms are gallant or chivalrous. Antonyms are avaricious or debased. Example: the team's manager was magnanimous in victory and praised the losing team. Next word, pusillanimous. It is showing a lack of courage or determination. In Hindi it is kaya. Synonyms are cowardly or timorous or chicken-hearted or craven or rapacious. Antonyms are plucky, brave, dauntless, courageous, chivalric. Example: the pusillanimous soldier cried because he was scared of the gunfire. Next word, unanimous. It means fully in agreement. In Hindi, it is ekmat. Synonyms are concordant, compatible, amicable, agreeable, congenial, or harmonious. And antonyms are discordant, disagreeable, disharmonious, or incompatible. Example: he was elected by a unanimous vote. Okay. Next word, animus. It means hostility or ill feeling. In Hindi, it is dushmani. Synonyms are antagonism, enmity, antipathy, animosity, rancor, and antonyms are amiability, amicability, cordiality, or friendliness. Example: my animus towards my roommate stems from the fact he is constantly stealing my food. Next word, versatile. It means able to do many different things. In Hindi, it is अनेक गुणों वाला व्यक्ति. Synonyms are multi-skilled, flexible, protean, multi-talented. Antonyms is inflexible. Example: he had been one of the game's most versatile athletes. Next word, stoicism. It means the quality of explaining pain or trouble without complaining or showing your emotions. Example: he endured the pain of his wounds with great stoicism. Next word, intrepid. It is very brave, not afraid of danger or difficulties. In Hindi, it is neither. Synonyms are fearless, bold, courageous, indomitable, and antonyms are cowardly, timid, ungallant, or timorous. Example: the intrepid kitten walks slowly in front of the two big dogs. Next word, trepidation. It is a feeling of fear or anxiety about something that may happen. In Hindi, it is घबराहट. Synonyms are apprehension, dread, agitation, or trembling. Antonyms are calm, equanimity, or composure. Example: she was half afraid to speak, fearful that a quake in her voice would expose her trepidation. Next word, scintillating. It is sparkling or shining brightly. Synonyms are shimmering bright and antonyms is dull. Example: we saw scintillating fireworks display. Next word, urbane. It means courteous and refined in manner. Synonyms are elegant, polished, dignified, sophisticated, or glib. And antonyms are boorish or unsophisticated. Example: she described him as urbane and charming. Next word. So here video ends. If you like this video, then please like and share. And if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel Optimistic Aspirant. And for PDF, you can also join my Telegram channel optimistic aspirant from the link given in descriptions. So thank you so much everyone.